Now, what we're really trying to do here is lift TensorFlow to entirely new heights.
And I'm really excited to announce that our alpha release is available for you as of today.
You'll never have to use session.run anymore.
The first experimental support for embedded platforms in TensorFlow Lite. Here is a demonstration board that I actually have in my pocket.
I actually have one of our teachable machine demos here. It can still discern the TensorFlow Lite logo from the tangerine.